professional carpet installer. I know that you thought I was, but I'm really not. And you know what? If you're not, you can still do this. We are going to install a great idea for this room. We took out the old carpeting, and instead of trying to put another roll carpeting in here, we are going to use modular carpet tiles. It's really a great concept. They come in 18-inch or 24-inch size, and depending on the scale of your room, that's how you'll determine what size tiles to buy. Now, in order to find out how many tiles you're going to need, you take the width of your room and your length of your room, and you multiply them together, and that's how many square feet you'll need for the project. Now, these are premium quality tiles because, check it out, the padding or the cushioning is already attached, so you don't even have to install carpet pad for this project. Now, what we've chosen in here, because this is a cigar room, and we wanted to have it a very tailored, textured look, and that's exactly what we got. We're using a nylon, natural textured-looking sisal carpeting. Now, we're using nylon because it's a terrific fiber. It's very resilient, it cleans up well, it'll wear forever. What we've decided to do, because the sisal pattern is kind of like a corduroy or a linear pattern, we're going to do it in 90-degree angles to each other. You see that? We're going to have one tile going one way and the other tile going the other way. So, if you can put a puzzle together, you can install carpet tiles. First, sweep the floor well to remove any dust, drywall mud, or old adhesive. Then you need to determine the center of the room by snapping 2 chalk lines that intersect the center of the room. Now, for this project, you can use a pressure-sensitive adhesive or double-sided tape.
Carpet tiles may be installed on any smooth surface. If you use the double-sided tape method, you can take them with you when you move.
Install the tiles out from the chalk lines toward the walls. Now, cut the tiles from the back by using a sharp utility knife and a straight edge.
Carpet tiles are used for commercial as well as residential applications. They're easy to install, easy to clean, and are long-lasting.
Can you believe it? How easy this project is? And the thing that's so great about these carpet tiles is, you know, down the road as you use the room and the kids come in or the pets come in or you spill anything, all you have to do is lift out one tile to replace it. And the other thing that's so great is that you don't even need to have double stick tape on all the tiles because the fact that this is an interlocking grid pattern just holds it all in place. So it's a terrific idea, it's inexpensive, and it's quick.